Are you looking for a content writer, copywriter for your massage therapist business? After watching this video, you don't need to hire anybody, any person for your content writing things, because this video will help you to generate a multiple variations of content with the help of ChatGPT OpenAI tools. So let's get into the system and we'll see how we can generate a multiple variations content. All right, so we are in the system now and we'll see, like, we need to basically type him, obviously, to give him a command like what exactly we are looking for and what kind of content we need. So we are in a chat gpt now. This is chat gpt and this is open playground application where we can get a multiple variations of taglines. Okay, but this is for another thing we will discuss in another video. Okay, so let's back into the chat gpt and we will type here like generate headline and add copy. Okay, first of all, generate a headline and highly converting ad copy for Google Ads. For, we'll give him a topic like which is massage therapist. Okay, so let's see like what we get now. I will definitely get a highly converting and copyrighted effect, the headline and the ad copy description. So experience the power of massage therapy. So you see like relieve stress and increase relaxation, ad copy. So we get the description as well, but this is only one option, this is not enough. Okay, so we will tell him like we need at least give us a 3 to 5 variations of different types of ad copy or headline, so then we can decide for and to choose from, obviously. So share at least 3 to 5 options, uh, and make sure it must be highly converted content. Okay, so now let's see what we get. Okay, so we have to wait, obviously, but this is a very powerful tool, especially for anybody who are going for looking for content related things. So first of all, see like relax and rejuvenate with massage therapy, book your appointment today. See, like we have a multiple offer. If you say even say 100 options tell you, so definitely this AI will tell you 100 options. So but this time and only provides the ad copy, but we will now ask him to or request him to give us a description as well. Okay, so now we will type him, please share with the ad copy descriptions with the highly converting. Okay, so now it must be provide a highly converting, or I must say like it the intent would be conversion. So discover the power of massage therapy, say goodbye, ad copy experience. Okay, 5. No. Okay, let's try once again, once last time. Please share the headline with the ad copy descriptions. Okay, so I must say like now we must get the description ad copy as well. Yes, so see, we are now getting with the ad copy relevant to headlines. So each headline will be relevant, we definitely, because most of the time if you go for a, if you see like some of the ads, so you will see a headline is talking about something different, and the description which is showing right next to the headline, so that context or that means will be a little different. But here is a highly synchronized basically a content we get. So if you like this video, definitely it must be helpful for all of you if you are going for a advertisement or content ad copies. So do like this video and make sure to subscribe this channel, and make sure also to click the bell icon button so you will get notified whenever the new videos comes up. So if you're looking for a Google Ads services, if you need help related to anything managing your Google Ads business, so do check out the description below. You will get the contact details of me, so you can hire me, or I can help you in the highly converting campaigns, and will help you in getting the more leads, especially for your local advertising, Google Ads or Facebook advertisement business. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.